Okay, look at this, y'all. This is pretty. Okay, so not too much of me, y'all. I kind of know I'm not looking the best right now. And I sound kind of stuffed up, but I don't know what that's about. I think because it's getting cold. But maybe that's beside the point. I kind of know I'm not looking the best right now. It is what it is. I came on here for one reason only. So I just need to install this wig. And I'll probably do the rest tutorial when I'm up tomorrow. I pulled an all-nighter. It's 5 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock. So I deserve to look like this. But anyway, I'm coming with this wig. I would like to show y'all this wig, y'all. I don't really know if I'm gonna do a in-depth like install video because I already have like 2 to 3 of those, and if y'all ain't seen them, then I'm gonna connect the mugs on either side of the screen, child. But okay, so before I start anything in this video, yes, I will be doing a install, but while I'm installing it, I'm just gonna give you guys the rundown of the wig because this was definitely filmed like a hot minute ago. So I'm gonna give y'all my thoughts on it now while I'm also installing it later on in the video. So yeah, just came on to tell y'all that. Right now, I think I'm just gonna show y'all how the wig looks and then kind of install it. Not really a walkthrough, but y'all can see me install it if I don't struggle doing it on camera. But if not, y'all just gonna see this thing slapped in my head. But yeah, I just want to give y'all like a little look of this wig. So just the construction of the cap, I believe this is a 16-inch wig. I'm really hoping that this is in focus, the camera's in focus. If not, then will I refilm this? Beyond me. But this is a lace front wig, and then there's a comb in the back, and then I believe there's 2 combs on the side. Yeah, there's 2 combs on the side, so boom, there goes that. And then there's also some strings, not no string. There's also some elastic bands like in the back, so like you can of course like hook them on and stuff like that. So that's just the construction of the cap. It kind of already came in a side part, but we're gonna put this baby in a no, what? It already came in the middle part, but we're gonna put this thing in a side part, y'all. And the curls are interesting. I've never done a side part lace front, so we're gonna see if I can really install this, or we're gonna see, baby. This is a learning experience for you and me. Wait, me and you. We're just hoping, you know, baby, just give a classic look with a red lip, maybe. I don't know. We're gonna see what I feel like giving today. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't gonna explain too much, but I'm just gonna oh, y'all, I'll show y'all, or I'll enter it in a little later in the video, but this is where it's coming to. Those are oil stains. This video is just good, just uglier and uglier as it goes. I'm gonna black that out. The wig stops right here, so the backup is coming to like right here. I'm starting to think this ain't 16 inches, and I'm just giving y'all the wrong stuff. So we gonna see when I edit this video. But yeah, this is how the hair is looking. I'm just going to hot comb the front of the hair so I can just push it all back. So this is how it's looking, just so I can see a better, I don't know, a better view of the hairline. Again, I don't know if this is gonna be an in-depth tutorial, but whatever. This hair, not the hair, but the lace is actually blending really well for me not to have any makeup on it. And the color isn't bad. Like, it's not too light, it's not too dark. It is what it is, and I feel like it's gonna blend really good with my powder makeup that I used the last tutorial I had. Okay, you guys, so you're just gonna see me cut off the lace, or I already have the lace cut off. I put some powder makeup on it so it can blend a little bit better. But again, the color of lace wasn't as bad as it usually is for my wigs. So I'm gonna give you guys the details of this hair. I was correct that it was 16 inches, and I believe it's a 180 density wig. If I'm wrong, I will put the corrections above, like on the screen while I'm doing this. I have had Alipearl's hair before. If I haven't mentioned, this is Alipearl's wig, and I think I like this texture better than the texture I had before, which I believe was a deep wave. I do still have that deep wave video up, so I will link it in the little, not the little description. Well, I'll link it in the description and I'll link it on the video as I'm talking right now whenever I edit it. But this wig is described as a short bob, loose deep wave lace front wig. And I believe the price is $151, which isn't that bad. I believe that's still on the affordable side because the lace is really good. Like the lace blends really well. I usually do not dye the knots of my lace because, baby, I did that once and I messed up. But this one's really good. Like you can't really see the knots, especially when I put my makeup on there. I know it might look a little rough right now, but trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. I did want to mention that they did give me the little tie y'all are seeing right now. Not tie, the the headband thingy, the set, y'all know what I'm trying to say. They gave me that, which y'all are seeing right now, and they also gave me a little elastic thing to help melt the lace into my hair. I think I used it in the video. And they gave me a edge brush with a little comb at the end. So I thought that was really sweet of them. I believe they also gave me a bag that I can keep the wig in. It's like a little satin bag, the same material as the head wrap y'all are seeing right now. And so that just preserves the wig. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I don't think I'm missing anything else. They might have gave me lashes. If they did, then I will put the little picture of them or a little video of them in the video right now. So yeah. So as far as the condition of the wig when I first got it, I saw like maybe like a few split ends, but not that many. And also there was a slight smell to the hair. It ain't bad, but it's not good. Like it's not completely scentless, but it's nothing that you can't like, condition and get rid of the smell. The hair was very soft. It did have a few tangles, but not as many. But again, you can't really expect no tangles from hair that's this curly. As I brushed it, the curls did fall. I will give y'all another review, maybe like a 5-month review after this one because I have been having this wig for a little bit. So yeah. I'm trying to make sure I didn't forget anything in this video. So if I did, please be sure to just ask in my comment section. As far as customer service, they were really sweet. They were really patient with me because I do be asking a lot of questions, y'all. This hair comes in other options. So they have 14 inches as well, which I believe is $121. But the link for it will be underneath the video. They have 250 density, and they also have options for like a 4x4 lace front, not lace front, but 4x4 closure, as well as a 4x4 HD closure. I don't think this one right here is HD lace. It's really good and it blends really well, but I don't think this one is HD. I would like to say that I do appreciate that this wig wasn't too thick around the hairline. I'm not a professional plucker. This is probably like my third wig install, y'all. Like I'm not professional. I'm still learning as well. But when it's really thick, it's a struggle. So I do think this is a really good beginner friendly wig, especially if you're just now learning how to pluck because the lace isn't too thick in the front part. Like I don't know, it kind of looks already plucked, but not enough to where you can just slap it on your head and call it a day. So yeah, me personally, I do think this hair is actually really thick. So I think that's a pretty good pro of the hair. But as far as a con, I would say that I would have preferred not the hair. I would have preferred that the wig be a tad bit bigger, just like a few centimeters to like an inch. If I forgot to mention anything, I will tell y'all underneath, like in the comment section, or y'all can just ask me and I'll be more than happy and more than ready to answer y'all's questions.
you pick me up at the park right now, up the back while everyone sleep. I'll be waiting there with my trench, my lugs, my hat, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world you'll be weak, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you know. If I let this go, you get to nobody. I'm never nobody. I hope you're responsible. Boy, I gotta watch my back. I'm not just anybody. Is it my call? Is it your call? Sometimes I got it good. Right now I'm not at night. Say yes or say no. 'Cause I need somebody.
Okay, so this is the next day. I'm gonna keep it a band with y'all. I did not wrap this hair when I went to sleep, baby. I really just went to sleep. I was tired last night, so woke up, got ready, did my makeup, and here it is. I played with the curls a little bit, so that's why it's a little bit frizzy. But for the most part, I really like this hair, y'all. The curls are beautiful. The curls are really pretty and they're really soft. They don't really tangle, but again, it's curly hair. They don't tangle like really bad. Like it's not like an annoying type of thing. I'm not experiencing any shedding, but I will be doing a couple. Oh, I lied. So here's some shedding right here. Wait, it's not focusing. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. I will be linking all the description. I will be linking all the links down below in the description, and I will also be giving you the hair information, and I will also link the videos for the in-depth tutorials that I have had, the most recent ones, the updated ones, and even the older ones that I've done, like, you know, installing my frontals and stuff like that. But this is the first one I did for the side part, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all have any questions, concerns, feel free to just comment down below, or y'all can DM me at xo.cahtlinn. So that's about it, y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.